Finding a virus is stressful, but when Windows Defender detects it, you can often remove the threat completely by following a structured approach. Here is a step-by-step guide to remove virus detected by Windows Defender, from the most common simple fix to advanced manual removal. Open your Windows security settings. Click the shield icon in your system tray. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Under the current threats, you may see a message like Threats Found. Click Protection History. In the Protection History list, find the detected threats. You will see options for it. I recommend you choose the Remove option. This will instruct Defender to delete the virus. If this fails, the virus detection alert from Defender will usually tell you the name of the malicious file and its location. Copy the path to the virus and boot into safe mode with networking. This starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and programs, preventing most malware from loading. To enter safe mode, simply click the Start button. Hold down Shift and click Restart. After the reboot, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and select Restart. Then press the 5 or F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Now let's locate and delete the file with caution. Navigate to the file path shown in the Windows Defender alert. Open File Explorer and type the path to virus detected by Windows Defender. You may need to enable Show Hidden Files and Folders in File Explorer options at the View tab. If you find a file, right-click it, hold down Shift and select Delete. Only do this if you are certain it is a malicious file. Malware often hides in your temporary files. If leftover malicious files remains, running it again could reinfect the system. Let's clear temporary files on your user account. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Now type del q f s temp. Each user account on the same PC has its own temporary folder. Running this command only cleans the one for the logged-in user. To clean temporary system files, type del q f s drive c windows temp. This is the central Windows temp directory used by installers, system services, and processes that aren't tied to a specific user. Now let's repair system files. Even if the malware is deleted, the damaged system files will still remain, which will cause system crashes or instability. Type DISM online, cleanup, image, restore health. If malware corrupted your cache files, the Deployment Imaging and Servicing Management tool will allow Windows updates to safely replace system files that are corrupted. This process may take a while, but it will fix deep-level issues that a normal antivirus can't touch. From there, let's run the system file checker. Type SFC scannow. This command might take a few minutes depending on the system speed, but let it finish. You will often see the stability of your PC improve right away. Now, even after running Windows built-in commands, some malware can still leave behind hidden traces or hijack critical settings. That's why I built my own tool, the Ultimate Windows Virus Cleaner, the Confidence Edition. Let me quickly show you how it works. Download the tool from the link pinned in the comment section and run it as administrator. Malware often hijacks your host file to secretly redirect you to fake websites. By repairing it, we remove those hidden redirects and restore safe browsing. This is just one of many powerful features built into the Ultimate Windows Virus Cleaner. From killing hidden malware processes, cleaning junk files, resetting DNS, repairing firewall rules, and even fixing Windows updates. It's like having a security expert in one tool. Get the tool and protect your PC like a pro.